everyone, it's Kecia with the Car Seat Pros. This is a quick installation video of moving the latch strap from the rear-facing belt path to the forward-facing belt path on the Graco SlimFit. First thing you're going to do is loosen your harness all the way. Now raise the headrest all the way up. If you haven't already removed the infant inserts, do that now. You cannot use these for forward-facing. All right, you've got some snaps back here, so you're going to unsnap them and pull this whole cover forward so that you can expose the rear-facing belt path and see what you're doing. The latch strap always comes set in the rear-facing belt path because they assume that's how you're going to use the seat first. But when you're done with rear-facing and you're ready to go forward-facing and you want to move that latch strap to the forward-facing belt path, this is the process. Bring your latch anchor connectors into the belt path, all right, and you'll see that they are trapped underneath the red bar. If you'll notice, the red bar extends all the way up the side of the shell into the forward-facing belt path. Literally, you're just going to slide and shimmy the webbing into the forward-facing belt path and then exit out the openings. Make sure that your latch strap is not twisted when you do this, and make sure that you don't get caught up in the 5-point harness. I'm going to go underneath those harness straps, come out the other side. Again, make sure your latch strap is not twisted. You're going to be connecting the lower anchor connectors onto the latch anchors in your vehicle with this side facing up. So it will look like a stapler clamping down on the anchor bar. And don't forget to use your top tether. It's a very simple process. If you found this information helpful, follow us for more car seat related content, and thanks for watching.